Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and this is a very special Mustang, 1967 factory S-Code 390 GT car. Beautiful original color combination, a very quality restoration.
This one's almost a trailer queen, D.
It really is.
We say that a lot that they're not, but this one is just such a gorgeous car. As soon as we seen this one for sale, we just had to have it. It's my favorite color combination.
It is, and just all the little things with this car just are right. You know, even under the hood light, the detail, all the way around the car, but...
Listen to that 390 motor, it just sounds great. So many of them usually have a little lifter noise, or it just runs beautiful, doesn't it?
It does. And very rare too. You never see these S-Code coupes. Every once in a while I see a fastback. The S-Code coupes are really hard to find. Big block 390 in a little coupe is just an awesome deal.
Look at the originality. Original paint still on the bottom side of the hood. That's 100% original paint. You see where at one point the battery probably took a crap, kind of exploded there in the inside.
And even on the firewall, still has the factory stamping. And there's some neat documentation I want to show you with this too as we once we go around it here.
Still got, and even like right here, like you said, the light works.
First thing I want to show you real quick is this is just a copy of the Marty report. How it was broke down. Clearwater Aqua original paint. It's what it's been repainted in. Aqua interior, 390 4-speed, only 800 with this you know, trim and paint.
What else you got for us, Steve?
So in here, this is what I found that was really neat. There's a lot of other neat things too, warranty card, but I've never really seen one of these. This is the quality control sheet from the factory. It said when disassembling the car in 2022 to repaint it and restore it, under the carpet they found this original quality control sheet that they marked on from the factory. You can see the date, and then when they marked trim's good, and then signed off and put it in the car.
And you can just tell if that's still on. What care did this car have the last umpteen years that that's still in that good a shape under the carpet?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
74,000 actual mile car. How many pictures of the restoration? Oh,
yeah, so that's what the car was, you know, when before they restored it. So
nice shape.
Yeah, never a bad car. It's nice and clean. There's all kinds of photos still stapled in here that I didn't unstaple and go through, but a lot of neat stuff there.
Cool.
I didn't want to let the next guy take it apart and discover all the photos. But
nice.
Really pretty car.
Let's set these inside, D. As you can start going around it.
It's a factory GT as well. With that, you got the deluxe hood with the turn signal indicators in there. And as Chad mentioned, this is almost a trailer queen as far as quality. Paint job's beautiful. Bumpers, headlight bezels, all that's been restored and done very nicely. Hood lines up great, all the way front to back, and then sits down nice along the cowl there.
Paint's gorgeous. So is the trim.
It is, yeah, definitely a show-winning car. Front fender's beautiful, don't see any imperfections. It's got the BFG raised wet letter tires, style steel wheels with the blue caps. I love the white vinyl top on this one as well. Door fits great all the way along the rocker. Is in really good shape.
We're running 215/70s on this one, Dalton. All the way around.
Nice. Even the door fitment is as good as the guy's gonna get.
While you're down there, I'll go ahead and open this one for you. Shows you the corner. All new rubbers and felts, roof rail, all that stuff was done at restoration. Now, they did leave the bottom of the hood original, but they did not leave the original paint in the jams. They completely painted that, show quality, beautiful as well.
Very nice. It's got the deluxe interior with deluxe door panels, full
Lights
console,
are working on
and
that
the
as
overhead
well.
console too, which is a neat option.
Just the trim and quality of the interior is fantastic.
All the dome lights work underneath the dash. Seats in really nice shape. Seat backs as well. Console light works. Back seat, and even all this plastic, vinyl wrap plastic here is in excellent shape as well. 4-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the vinyl top. That's excellent.
Look how straight it is.
Yeah, very straight. Even the detail, that's why this is a, you know, it's in my mind, everything should be drove, so I don't like saying trailer queen about anything, but that's why this one's closed. Even the detail in the trunk, jam paint.
This is original, D. Look at it.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yep, original paint still is that nice.
Even
that just says the quality of there.
Rear quarters both have their factory stampings.
Yep. They did a nice job blending this though, didn't they? With keeping that original.
Yeah, really nice.
Beautiful.
Back bumper looks good. It's got the correct,
I think that panel, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, I've had somebody say that that's not factory, and I don't think it is either, but
no, I don't think
I'm not real sure, you know, when they came out with that or that kind of add-on, but it's a good touch.
Yeah, I like the exhaust. Trunk lid lines up excellent. All the trim around the trunk lid and the bumper's all in great shape. So many times these little quarter extensions don't get lined up very well, and this one's excellent.
Well, I think the biggest thing is it's a 77,000 original mile car that was in excellent shape when they repainted it.
Yeah.
You know, I'd call it more of a survivor with a repaint and an engine build and stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. I don't even really see any chips or anything on this. Vinyl top's excellent. Kind of rear window's great.
The only thing I can see maybe is just a little paint imperfection right here. That's it. I mean, the rest of it's mint. Up and down that side.
Over the vinyl top, all great. Rocker looks good. Driver's door fits just as nice as the passenger door does.
Listen to how those doors open. I mean, they shut just as nicely.
That looks original.
Yep, that is.
There's your tag. Corner of the door's rust free. Door jamb paint's nice.
Yeah, quality. That's all you can say about this. And I love the deluxe interior with the nice seats. Seat backs are nice. It's got seat belts for two in the back. Look at this thing on the road. All the GT comes with all the Illuminati stuff. That's all been replaced. I mean, that's like brand new. It's like mint, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Love the overhead console with the map lights.
They both work too, both of those.
Nice.
Visors, mirrors, nice and tight. Factory tack works, too. Horn wipers work. Gas gauge works. We filled that up the other day. Temp gauge works. It's just coming off C right now. Heater fan works.
Even original AM radio works. Again. That's cool.
It's cool. It's cool as right. The headliner's gorgeous, too. Turn signal indicators work both on the hood as well. You probably can't see it now in the sun, but this is just such a nice tight cruiser. Again, no power steering, but without, you know, it just Mustang steer easy.
Nice power.
As far as the brake pedal goes, stops perfectly straight. But the brake, that power booster is just a little touchy. You know what I mean?
Here.
Try to see if we can't get that. Probably the back brakes, maybe just set up a little more, get rid of that. RPM shift, 3,000, 3,500, down to fourth gear, 3,500. That speedometer's perfect. Look at this.
Brakes at high speed.
That's with the brakes going a little bit so I don't run in the back of that truck. I mean, it's a nice, tight car.
It really is. I'm impressed with it.
Temp gauge is nicely coming up now. It's just came in there.
Sometimes you get a car that's so, you know, cosmetically restored really nice like this one, and they don't do as well with the mechanics of it. This one's just really tight, nice, and just drives just as good as it looks.
It sure does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wait for that car there. There we go. The nice thing without power steering is they just drive straight up. Yeah. You don't have to steer them very much. You know, once you get them going down the road, you're not constantly going like this, you know. The speedometer is very nice and accurate. Just going through the gears. Look how nice that shifts. I'm going to try our synchros again. Third gear.
Shifts down nice.
As we slow down. Second. Nice. Hell, even doing 25 on synchro reverse.
Nice. Ah, what a car.
Neat one, huh?
It really is. We're gonna go put this right back in the showroom next to a couple other Mustangs we got in there. But really good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.